Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro, imaging a handheld gaming PC that actually competes with your console, but fits in your backpack. That's actually what MSI is trying to do with the brand new Clo 8 Plus. And trust me, this isn't just another Steam Deck clone. Today we are diving into everything you need to know about the MSI 8 Plus, the design, the power and real performance, and whether it's worth your money in 2025. If you are into gaming on the go, stay locked in. So let's go. Right off the box, the Clo 8 Plus looks like it's slightly bigger than the original Clo, rocking a solid aluminum chassis with improved grip texture. The button feels premium, the Hall effects trigger are smooth, and the RGB lighting on the joysticks, sip kiss. Now let's silk screen and 18-inch Full HD IPS panel with 120Hz refresh rate. Butter smooth and super responsive. Colors pops, blocks are decent and outdoors, surprisingly visible. Plus dual front rich speakers delivers loud and clear audio. Under the hood, this thing is the best. Powered by Intel Core Ultra 7, 55H with ARC graphics and built in on Intel's Metro flagship. It handles AAA game like a charm. You are getting 32GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Games load faster and smooth, even titles like Elden Ring and Cyberpunk 2077 run at 60 fps on medium setting. Thermals are way better than the last version. Dual fans wiper chamber cooling MSI finally nailed it. The device stays cool under pressure, and a solid 8-hour battery gives around 2.5 to 4 hours of gameplay, depending on setting. Not amazing, but fire for the power. Running Windows 11 with stick new version of MSI Center M. The interface is finally intuitive. You can customize performance profiles, fan pills, lighting, and even launch games from one place. It still feels like a PC, but optimized for handle use. On the go connectivity side, you have got USB-C with Thunderbolt and headphone jack, micro SD support, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.4. It's ready for cloud gaming, docs, or just to coach co-op. So is the MSI 8 Plus, the new king of handle. It's powerful, polished up, and packed with features, but it at premium price. If you are serious about gaming on the go, this one's worth every money. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more gadget reviews and updates, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.